Okay, so this problem is kind of the quintessential by parts problem, because what we're seeing here is I have a function with x multiplying a function with x. So therefore, this seems like a good candidate. Now, we don't know for sure if it's going to work, but we're going to give it a shot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by saying I'm going to let u be what I highlighted in yellow. I'm going to let u be x, and therefore, I'm going to let dv be 7 to the x dx. And the thought process I go through here is saying, if I take the derivative of u, that's going to become 1 dx, so that seems better. And then the antiderivative, do I know how to do the antiderivative of an exponential function? The answer is yes. So this seems like a decent try. All right, so let's give it a shot. So the derivative of u would be du. The derivative of x would be 1 dx. Okay. Then the antiderivative of dv would be v. The antiderivative of 7 to the x would be 7 to the, whoops, that should be a 7, 7 to the x divided by the natural log of the base, natural log of 7. And now we're ready to rewrite our antiderivative. So we know it's u times v, so that's going to be x times 7 to the x divided by the natural log of 7, minus the antiderivative of v du. So therefore, that would be 7 to the x divided by the natural log of 7 dx. Right? So we can see the du is the dx, the v is to the 7 to the x divided by the natural log of 7, and we are now ready to try again. So now we look at this new antiderivative. I'm going to uncolor. There we go. There we go. All right, so I'm going to do the antiderivative of this and see if this is now something easier to deal with. Now, my number one recommendation is whenever you have a constant multiplier, like multiplying or dividing, we take that to the outside of the antiderivative. Makes it easier to see. So we're going to rewrite x times 7 to the x minus divided by natural log of 7, divided by 1 over the natural log of 7, times the antiderivative of 7 to the x dx. And now when it's written like this, I feel like it makes it a lot easier to see that this antiderivative we've already done. So this is going to be x times 7 to the x divided by the natural log of 7 minus 1 over the natural log of 7 times, what is the antiderivative of 7 to the x? 7 to the x divided by the natural log of 7 plus c, because this is an indefinite integral. All right, so I hope that helps.